Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Banner -72 in League of Legends. So here's what you're gonna do. You wanna go to search, type in add or remove programs. In here, click on this, search apps, type in Riot, and find Riot Vanguard. You wanna uninstall it, click on install, yes, and then it will uninstall. You can also uninstall League of Legends if you want, and then like re-download it fully. After you're done uninstalling the Riot Vanguard, you want to exit out of this. You want to double click on Riot Client and launch it again. And after the client loads, you want to go to League and then click here, update. It will install Riot Vanguard again. Allow it. And after it's done, it will say your game requires a system restart to play. You don't want to restart your PC just yet. Here's the next thing you want to do. Exit out of this, go back to search, type in run. In run, you want to type in this, services.msc, click OK. It will open this window. You want to click somewhere here, press V in your keyboard till you find VGC. You want to double click on it, and here it says startup type manual. You want to switch it to automatic. Click apply. Okay, and now you want to go back to search, type in firewall. You want to go to Windows Defender firewall. It will open this window. You want to click allow an app or feature through Windows Defender firewall, then click change settings, and then click allow another app, and you want to go browse. You want to go to local C, Riot Games, Riot Client. You want to add the Riot Client to the firewall. Click add. I already have it, but for you, it will add it. And then you go back to browse, go back to C, Riot Games, League of Legends, and find this Riot Client with the most kilobytes. So this one, 2900. And then click add. And after you've done this, you want to go back to browse and one more time, and then go to local C. Don't go to Riot Games, just go to program files. Scroll down till you find Riot Vanguard, and then click VGC, and then click add, and it will add it. It says here Vanguard user remote service. You want to make sure it's ticked for both private and public, and also you want to do the same for Riot Client and the League of Legends, which is called LoL Launcher. And after you've done that, the last thing you want to do is go to search, type in system configuration, go to services, click hide all Microsoft services, scroll all the way down till you find VGC. You want to make sure to untick this and take it back again, click apply. Okay, and then it will ask you to restart your PC, and after you restart your PC, your game should work properly. And that's it for this video. That's how you fix Banner -72 in League of Legends. Subscribe if you want to join the giveaway. Like, comment. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.